Alright guys, welcome back to Our World Outdoors. So today we're going to continue on with the kind of series of budget gear. Now this is going to be kind of a luxury item, honestly. I've been looking for something to kind of offset all the weight we've been cutting, to add to comfort without gaining a lot more weight. And I was trying to do it as cheap as possible, which sometimes can be a bad thing. But in this one, I think we turned out pretty good. So what I did was I was up late one night looking on eBay, and my wife Missy had said, you know, the last trip that the bag stuffed with clothes wasn't the most comfortable pillow, and I had to agree with her. It's getting to be summertime. I know that I wanted a pillow, but I wanted it to be light, and I didn't want it to be that plastic feel. I wanted it to have that fabric feel. Now you can get those just blow up plastic camp pillows that are just so sticky and hot in the summer. They're terrible, but you can literally get them for like $2, $3, you know. But I ended up coming across a fabric covered one for $3.55. That's free shipping from China. Now, I've kind of come to the conclusion now that if it's a bigger item from China, you're looking at like 3 weeks. If it's a small, flat item like this, or the titanium windscreens we ordered, they're here in like 10, 14 days max. So that's something to remember about ordering from China. I just got on eBay and got this. I will put the link for where I got this in the description of this video if you guys are interested in it, but there's a whole bunch of sellers just like it. But once again, $3.55, I wanted the one with fabric on it. Now, let's take a look at what we got. Now, I actually ordered two, and by ordering two, it was like $7 out the door. So here's what it comes like. Now, we open it up, and the first thing I can tell you is, right off, both sides have kind of a real rough velour feel, but it's better than that sticky plastic feel, you know what I mean? And then you can see the indenture here where it's plastic welded, and you'll see the shape it takes once you do blow it up. So I'm going to blow it up. It takes about 2 good breaths to blow it up if you want to bring it all the way up. I'm guessing we're going to have to leave these a little deflated, but I'll blow it all the way up just so you can see. Now, the first thing I'll tell you is this thing has the safety valve on it. So the first time or two you try and let the air out or blow it up, it's going to be a little hard. It's going to be a little hard to get the air in or out just because it's brand new. So take a corner, pop that back in. But you can see the indenture. It's kind of nice for an ear. And size wise, I mean, I got really big hands. I mean, that's a pretty good sized pillow. It's probably, I don't know, 12 by 8, 12 by 7. I don't know, 12 by 6 minimum. I'd say bigger than that even. I don't know how else I can compare it really. I mean, it's about as long as my forearm. But it's got this indenture. When your ear's laying there, your ear's not going to stick to it. Now granted, this is like a really hard kind of fake velour kind of feel. But it's going to be way better than sticking your head down some, you know, it's going to make you sweat. That's what I did not want. But it's definitely, I can see I'm going to have to deflate it some to lay on it to be comfortable, but it's plenty big enough. It's not like you're trying to squeeze your head on something small, which I've seen some pillows like that. But then again, it's not too big. And the other thing is, even on this table, once you put downward pressure on it, something about that material sticks and won't let it move. You know what I mean? Which is nice because you don't want your pillow moving around at night. Now, you know us. We like to do miles, so we like things to be light. Make sure where we're at here. Okay, there's ounces. It's zeroed. 1.62 ounces. An ounce and a half. Okay? An ounce and a half. That's pretty amazing. Now, what I'm going to do here, if I can get to it without knocking everything down. This is my wife's. And this is how we're going to store them. So what we do is when we let the air out of them, we roll them up. Give you an idea how big. Yeah, it's like 8 inches, I think. 7 or 8. Anyways, so that's what it comes down to. Excuse me. I mean, packing that in your pack is nothing. I could actually wrap it up tighter if I wanted to. And if you really were out of room, you could slide it down next to your water bottle holders. I'm actually going to end up getting a stuff sack for these two to go in, which you could almost get away with the stuff sacks off the windscreens. But anyways, just something I wanted to show you. Like I said, I'll put the seller's name and the ad in the description box. But this was just the cheapest pillow that was the size. Because that's another thing. You can get these pillows cheap, but they're, you know, they're like 2/3 of this. I wanted a certain thickness, and I wanted it to have the fabric feel. Even if it's this like hard velour, that's fine. I didn't want it to be sticky. I didn't want my ear to be sweating and sticking to this in the middle of summer. That's just awful. So, just another one of those nice cheap things. You know, a lot of people don't like ordering from China. If you do it through PayPal, generally you're really safe. I know that you get on AliExpress, probably get this, 50 cents cheaper, or get on Amazon and buy it from the States here for $1.50 more. I was just looking for the cheapest way to do it. And we actually got the 2 free shipping for $7. But by themselves, in the one that I ordered, was $3.55, which is the cheapest on eBay that I could find that fit the thickness, the width, length, and had the fabric on it. So, until next time, I'm Tony with Our World Outdoors. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And keep your eyes open because we got a new overnight being released on Sunday, I believe. So we'll see you in the next one.